Good day, everyone. In this video today, I will show you how to install Gmail on iPhone. So to do this, what you have to do is just open your App Store on your phone. So click on it to continue. So when done with that, the next thing for you to do is just to click on the search button at the bottom right of the screen. So when done, come to this search button right here, then enter Gmail right there. So click on search to continue. So as you can see right now, here is Gmail by Google. So click on it. As you can see, this first one, as you can see the logo. So click on it to continue. So when done, you can then click on download to continue. So right now, as you can see, the Gmail app is downloading. What you have to do is just to give you some time for it to download. So when you finish downloading, you can then open your Gmail and sign in. So that's all to do this. Hope this video helped. Please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.